Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in health and fitness. Today I am diving into one of the hottest trends in the fitness world, intermittent fasting. This is not just a fad, it's a lifestyle change that has taken the health community by storm. It's not just about skipping meals, it's a scientifically backed approach to boost your metabolism and sharpen your brain. Researchers have been studying it for years and the results are fascinating. So let's break it down and see how this can benefit you. Whether you are looking to lose weight, improve your mental clarity, or just feel better, overall intermittent fasting might be the key. First off, let's talk metabolism. Your metabolism is like the engine of your body, and intermittent fasting can help it run more efficiently. When you fast intermittently, your body gets better at regulating insulin levels. Insulin is crucial because it helps manage your blood sugar levels. Insulin is that hormone that handles blood sugar, and when it's in check, your body can burn fat more efficiently. This means you can achieve your weight loss goals faster and more effectively. Plus, fasting helps reduce inflammation, which is a key player in many chronic illnesses. Inflammation is linked to conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. Think of it as giving your body a much-needed reset. It's like hitting the refresh button on your health. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. The benefits of intermittent fasting extend beyond just physical health. Fasting isn't just about physical health. It's a brain booster too. Your brain can benefit immensely from this practice. When you fast, your body produces something called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. This protein is like a superfood for your brain. This protein supports neuron health, helps with mental clarity, and reduces oxidative stress in the brain. In other words, it helps your brain function at its best. In simple terms, it keeps your brain sharp and focused. But wait, there is more to maximizing your fasting experience. There's more to maximizing your fasting experience. To get the most out of it, you need to pay attention to what you consume during your eating windows. Supplements can play a crucial role in supporting your fasting journey. They can help fill in nutritional gaps and keep your body functioning optimally. Electrolytes like sodium and potassium are essential. They help maintain fluid balance and muscle function. They keep you hydrated and prevent those annoying headaches that can come with fasting. Staying hydrated is key to a successful fasting experience. And don't forget about green tea extract. This powerful antioxidant can enhance your fasting benefits. It's great for supporting fat metabolism and giving you an energy boost without breaking your fast. It can also help curb your appetite. So how do you get started? The key is to start slow and find a method that fits your lifestyle. Consider easing into it with a 16-8 method where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. This is one of the most popular and manageable ways to start. Listen to your body and find what works best for you. Everyone is different, so it's important to tailor your fasting schedule to your own needs. And remember, supplements like electrolytes and green tea extract can make a big difference. They can help you stay on track and feel your best. All right, fitness buffs. That is a wrap on intermittent fasting. It's a powerful tool for both your body and mind. Whether you are looking to lose weight, improve your mental clarity, or just feel better. Overall, intermittent fasting might be the key. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Experiment with different fasting windows and find what makes you feel the best. And as always, support your journey with the right supplements to get the most out of it. They can make a significant difference in your fasting experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Stay fit and stay healthy. Catch you next time. Keep exploring new ways to enhance your health and well-being.